In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to your Wix website for a more engaging and dynamic online experience. Whether you're aiming to showcase your creative work, share a tutorial, or simply add some multimedia flair, embedding videos can truly elevate your site's appeal and functionality. Let's dive into the process, and I'll guide you through each step with ease. First, let's head over to the Wix editor. You'll notice that on the left side of the screen, there's a panel brimming with options. This panel is your gateway to customizing the vibrant world of your website. Start by locating and clicking on the Add Elements button, prominently positioned to offer you a plethora of features to enhance your site. As you scroll through the variety of options, direct your attention to Video and Music. This is where the magic of multimedia comes to life. Click on it, and you'll be pleasantly introduced to a host of tools designed to infuse your website with sound and visuals. Next, you want to select Wix Video. This feature provides a seamless way to integrate videos into your site using Wix's very own video player. It's specifically optimized to deliver content beautifully and responsively across devices. With a simple drag and drop motion, take the video player and position it where you envision the video captivating your audience. Now comes the exciting part, choosing the content. You have a range of platforms at your disposal to source your video. Whether your content resides on YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, Twitch, or Dailymotion, Wix makes it easy to add these external videos onto your page. If your creation sits among these popular platforms, go ahead and select the appropriate option. But what if you have a unique masterpiece saved on your computer? Nothing to worry about. Wix allows you to personalize your site with your very own video. Head to the Upload option. This is your key to adding personal content directly from your device. When you click on Upload, another friendly dialog will appear, prompting you to choose video. Upon pressing Choose Video, you'll be given access to your computer's files. Navigate through your files and pinpoint the video you'd like to share with the world through your website. Once selected, it uploads and prepares itself to enhance your site's visual storytelling. In conclusion, adding video content to your Wix website is not just about following steps, but about unlocking a powerful way to connect with visitors. Remember, a little creativity goes a long way in how you present your visual story. With these tools at your disposal, your website will be well on its way to captivating audiences and communicating your narrative with clarity and impact. Happy editing, and enjoy bringing your website to life with